Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I arrange my supermarket flowers. I got these beauties for less than $10 and they're going to look so amazing in my home. If you're new here, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you know when I post an amazing video just for you. And make sure that you like this video and give it a comment down below. Let's get started. But first, why would you want to have fresh cut flowers in your home? For one, the floral scent makes you feel incredible. They smell amazing. The bright colors help you stay focused, help you feel better, help you heal faster, and they also help you relax. Arranging flowers is an extremely feminine hobby. It's something that anyone can enjoy, men and women alike, and it just brightens up your home, brightens up your mood. What I like to do is cut them while they're still in their plastic and just kind of smell them, get used to them, hold them. These are all pretty evenly cut. So what I like to do even before I shop is to decide what I want my color palette to be, or you can decide while you're shopping. I love white and green. It's always a simple, classic, aesthetically pleasing pairing, so you never go wrong with white and green. I also love bright pinks, bright oranges, bright yellows, and the mixture of them together is really, really exciting and keeps me really happy. So when you're at the supermarket, choose some colors that you enjoy looking at, colors that go with your home decor, and just things that you enjoy. Then you kind of want to have an idea of what you want your floral arrangement to look like. Do you want tons and tons of puffy bouquets? So these are pretty even. I like to just see what the height is, and that's how I pick my vase. So these are a bit tall for this vase, but I think with the width of them, it may be just perfect with all of the leaves intact. Keep in mind that roses have lots of thorns, so be careful as you're handling them. And what you want to do is just smelling them, enjoying them, taking a look at them and seeing what you want to do. So I know that we're either going to use this big vase or we're going to use something slightly shorter, but may give more of a volume effect. So the shorter the vase, the more I have to cut these down, but the bouquet would look more full. So I think we're going to use the taller one. And it's okay if you only have one or two vases. I'm just gonna put them in here, and you see how they kind of like blouse out? We want to cut them down. How I like to do it is with this underneath the vase. I like to put the tallest ones in the center and then cut down accordingly. So I'm gonna cut this first one according to the highest height that I want the entire bouquet, and you want to make sure that you are cutting on a diagonal. Okay, so you saw how that just flipped over there. Make sure that these do not flip everywhere, but you want to make sure that it's cut on a diagonal. And use as sharp of a scissor as you can find, and go ahead and place that in. Boom. So it's a little bit short, but that's okay because we're going to make these all a little bit shorter. And just enjoy yourself doing this. Take time to smell the flowers, literally smell the roses. Just want to keep cutting down on a diagonal. This is such a happy hobby. This is something that anybody can do, anybody can enjoy. Of course, you know, buying someone flowers is always gonna make you feel good. But yeah, just keep going. And don't stress yourself out about how it looks at first, because we're gonna make this look so good. Now, I am a simple person. I love having flowers that are just a simple bouquet. But if you find that you want something, you know, a lot bushier, something that's a bit fuller, by all means go for that. Just make sure that your colors are complementary and that they fit the aesthetic that you want. Cutting and checking, cutting and checking. As you can see, it's looking a little sparse, so we can cut down a little more. I feel like having fresh cut flowers in your home just kind of contributes to the kind of woman that I want to be. And so it's something that I prioritize. And I know a lot of people look down on supermarket flowers, but there are some great florals to be had if you only take the time to see them. It's like literally take time to smell the roses, and you will see how beauty surrounds you. The more you believe beauty surrounds you, the more it actually surrounds you. And so just keep adjusting until you find that it's to your satisfaction. I like to do shorter roses around the perimeter. And you know what? I think maybe this is too big of a vase. So let's try it in the smaller one. The width of this vase is a little bit too wide for what I'm doing. We want to see happy, healthy stems, but you know, I mean, I don't want to cut them too low. Like they're already long stem roses. I feel like this looks so much better. And I like the leafiness around the base and just a little bit of the stem in there. So I'm going to use this and just rearrange. I feel like a lot of times in life, we feel like we need to nail things and we need to get it right the first time. And so many times that's just not true. Like I had to try these flowers in that bigger vase because it seemed like this was the right thing to do. But you know what? It wasn't the best thing to do. And so I had to try it first. And now I know that these particular flowers were meant to be in this vase. That's how life is. It's not right or wrong. It's not that you did it the wrong way, that you didn't try your best or choose the thing that was the right thing to choose. But sometimes it's just about trying and seeing that that's not the best way. So yeah, our arrangement is looking a little bit better, but as you can see, we're a little lopsided. So no worries. We're just gonna keep cutting down, going shorter. This was the right vase. And so now we're readjusting, we're reconfiguring. That's life, you know? Always, if you're not sure about how much to cut, just kind of like position it where you want it to be in the vase and just snip off a little. If you're nervous about cutting too much, you can always cut a little and cut more later. I feel like I've cut these way down, but that is how they were meant to be. I will also let you know that a good tip is to, every few days, trim the stems just a little so that it has a new entry point for the water, and of course change the water frequently. I say every other day. Every day may be a little bit too much, but you know, can never have too much of a good thing when it comes to water. And so yeah, just I also think it's valuable to have maybe one or two that you put into a bud vase. So with the tulips that I got, which are already in water, but I haven't cut them down yet, I am going to just snip them and put probably one into the bud vase. I just think it's something nice to do. So these stems are a little bit thicker, and if you want to, you can remove the leaves. Some people are very particular about their leaves and how the leaves, you know, kind of show up. As you can see, there's, you know, there's a fresh, thin stem. So if you want to remove, I'm scared. Okay, to me that didn't feel too good, but it does look a little bit nicer in the thing. I feel I've made a grave mistake. I feel as though I've made a grave mistake. Oh, I like a single tulip. Let's give this some water. Make sure that the water is not too cold, obviously not warm, but just cool. Cool water. If Plants come with plant food, obviously. Go ahead and use some. Boom. This will be for my nightstand. We're doing the best we can today. Continue to arrange and spend some alone time. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got something out of this video. Make sure that you are changing your water frequently for your flowers. Make sure that you are using the plant food if it was included, and make sure that you just give them a little snip so that they have a fresh point of entry for that water. And you should have flowers that last you at least a week, 5 to 7 days for sure. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was relaxing, and I hope to see you in my next one. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I will have more relax with me videos, more how-to videos, and of course, fashion, beauty, luxury, and all things lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye. Everybody wants to be that girl who has fresh flowers in her home, right? Hope you guys have a great night.